Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to solve Who Am I Riddles Part 3. I am a bird, I can swim but I can't fly. I am black and white, who am I? I am a penguin. I am a bird. I make a hoot sound. I am usually awake at night. Who am I? I am an owl. I fly all night and sleep at dawn. When I do that, I hang upside down. Who am I? I am a bat. I am one of the most beautiful birds you will find with 2 eyes in front and 100 behind. Who am I? I am a peacock. I am a bird, I am a fruit, and I am a person. Who am I? I am a kiwi. I am a large bird. I am brown. I have 2 wings. I have sharp claws. I like eating meat. Who am I? I am an eagle. I can swim and dive. I have 2 legs. I have 2 wings. I quack. Who am I? I am a duck. I have feathers. I lay eggs. I live in a coop. Who am I? I am a hen. I am black in color. I live in trees. I fly in the sky and I caw all the time. I can remember human faces. Who am I? I am a crow. I am big and tall bird. I have feathers, long neck and long legs. I can run fast, but I can't fly. Who am I? I am an ostrich. I am green bird. I have red beak. I can fly and talk. Who am I? I am a parrot. I live in balconies, blue and grey in color. I hunt for worms and grains to eat. I am peaceful and carry your messages. Who am I? I am a pigeon. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye.